and gentlemen, welcome to Micromax IFA Awards 2010. अब कुछ ही देर में आपके साथ होंगे for the third time in a row your super hit hosts Ritesh Deshmukh and Baman.
Hold. What nonsense is this? Excuse me, there's such a thing as seniority over here, okay? This is how it goes. It should go like this. Please welcome on stage Baman Irani and then mention whoever you want to mention.
कुछ change कर
नहीं कुछ जरूरत नहीं है बॉस. हमेशा स्टार अट्रैक्शन का नाम ही पहले आता है. वैसे भी 2 साल से मैं तो शो को होस्ट कर रहा हूँ और संभाल भी रहा हूँ.
I think you do too many fantasy films. You just come down to earth, okay?
बमन, अगर अलादीन का लैंप मेरे पास होता तो उससे घिसकर मैं तुम्हारे लिए एक विश मांगता कि तुम्हें थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस दे.
अगर विश मांगना ही होता ना जीनी से तो रन जाने कहाँ से आई और अलादीन के लिए ऑडियंस मांगते.
ओह रियली? मैंने सुना हाउसफुल के पहले तुम्हारी एक और फिल्म हाउसफुल थी.
कौन सी?
हम तुम और गोस्ट. क्योंकि ऑडियंस में हम तुम और सिर्फ गोस्ट ही थे. नहीं?
Not very funny, okay? I'm just Ritesh, I'm warning you, okay?
Oh, I'm scared, Baman.
Ritesh, I'll hit you, okay?
Finally, Baman, that's the only way you can give a solo hit. Don't forget that.
Hello!
How are you guys doing tonight?
Hey, let's hear it, come on!
Ayubowan Sri Lanka! We love you, Colombo! Welcome to the Micromax IFA Awards 2010.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think you're going to be a fantastic audience tonight because we've got some fantastic acts for you. But I've got some news for you. Salman Khan and Hrithik Roshan have both refused to perform unless and until you guys make so much noise that you blow this roof off. Come on, let's hear it. And to take the show forward, I think it gives me great pleasure to introduce to you our beautiful co-host.
Or rather, our co-host is the gorgeous, stunning, and extremely hardworking.
I believe that she featured on the cover of magazine.
Yeah, a lot of hard work. क्योंकि मैंने वो pose try किया, काफी मुश्किल था.
Posing is very difficult.
Yeah.
Practice करना पड़ता है.
You wanna do it?
Have you seen the cover?
I've seen the cover. You wanna do it?
Yeah, I'll do it.
I've done the pose. क्या कि पेट को अंदर ले लो, सांस लेके. बमन पेट को अंदर लो.
इससे ज़्यादा अंदर नहीं जाता.
Okay, fine. फिर जो राइट लेग है उसे टिल्ट कर दो.
ऐसे?
ये हाथ यहाँ पर ले लो.
ऐसे?
और ये हाथ थोड़ा ऐसे.
ऐसे?
अमित जी की तरह नहीं, थोड़ा नीचे.
ऐसे?
Pout.
I don't believe it. I don't believe this is the pose.
Can we have the?
I don't believe it.
You'll see it. Let's see the picture, please.
2 महीने लगे उसे ये पोज परफेक्ट करने के लिए. और 2 महीने के लिए करती रही और उसके बाद 2 दिन के लिए वो ऐसे ही चलती रही.
She's walking like this. Yeah, that's true. Please give a huge round of applause for the beautiful, gorgeous Lara Datta.
Come, darling.
Come, please come, Lara.
तुम दोनों बाद में मिलना.
कितने बजे मिलो?
And if both of you are really going to do this, do it like professionals, man.
Okay.
Ready?
Show us.
On the count of 3.
On the count of 3.
1, 2, 3. I have to say this since these two already have. I love you, Colombo. And welcome to the Micromax IFA Awards. पिछला साल सिनेमा के लिए एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट साल था जब एक नई टेक्नोलॉजी का अवतार हुआ.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, हम बात कर रहे हैं जेम्स कैमरन के अवतार के बारे में. दुनिया की पहली 3D ब्लॉकबस्टर which changed the way we see films.
इसलिए इतिहास में पहली बार आप देखेंगे एक पूरा अवार्ड शो 3D में. हम आपको इस साल के सारे क्लिप्स और नॉमिनेशन कैप्सूल्स 3D में दिखाएंगे थैंक्स टू द स्पेशलाइज्ड जर्मन टेक्नोलॉजी जो सिर्फ इस शो के लिए हम कोलंबो लाए हैं.
अगर आप अपने सीट्स के नीचे देखेंगे तो आपको 3D glasses मिलेंगे एक envelope में.
Please have a look under your
Please
seats.
request you to find them and put them on.
Under your
Look
seats,
under your
everyone,
seats.
Everyone, 3D glasses. Yes, good.
Ladies and gentlemen, we request you to put them
Ritik,
on.
there are seats. It's stuck
There
below.
are
There's an envelope.
We
It's stuck
promise
below.
you, we're not
You
kidding.
have to.
Put them
Everyone,
on.
get a 3D glasses.
Put them on, please.
Are you ready?
Look, look.
Way to
Look,
go.
1 second. If everyone doesn't wear their 3D glasses, you will not be able to see anything
Not
on
be
the
able to
screen.
see
Yes.
it. We don't want anyone to miss this.
Everyone's
Please,
not wearing
come on. Let me see who am I missing in 3D glasses. Okay.
Do we have some? We do have them.
All of you have 3D glasses ready? Are you ready for to create history for the first time? 3D technology. Let's see.
Ladies and gentlemen, to demonstrate this amazing technology, now that you have your 3D glasses on, हम शुरू करते हैं एक test clip के साथ from the phenomenal film Avatar. May we please have the test clip?
Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the first time unseen footage of Avatar. Please wear your 3D glasses.
Our very own Avatar.
अरे हम क्या जेम्स कैमरन की अवतार क्यों दिखाए भाई?
बिल्कुल.
हमारे अवतार दिखाएंगे ना?
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. It was better than James Cameron's Avatar. It's our own very Avatar, yeah. अरे Avatar है रे. Wow, thank you so much. And by the way, we just want to say, we were just joking. वाह, और हमने एक नया वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड किया है कि आज लाइव शो पर एक साथ 5,000 लोगों को हमने उल्लू बनाया है, उल्लू. Thank you so much for participating in this world record. Thank you so much.
It's been the year of 3D, 3 idiots, and before this guy makes an idiot of himself, we will say bye to you. Lara will continue with the show.
I think so.
See you
I think we
later.
should leave it
Let's
to the
go.
professionals. Thank you, Baman,
Lara,
Ritesh,
Lara.
and
Lara.
Show 3D में नहीं है.
Oh,
Very
all right.
ridiculous.
Sorry, I forgot.
Bye, everybody.
Sabah Sevak Veva Colombo. Cultures, countries और continents के इस महान मिलाप का नाम है IFA. But before we begin the festivities, Wizcraft, the IFA management, Andre Timmins, Viraf Sarkari and Sabas Joseph would like to thank the Indian film industry for having helped make this IFA a rocking success. We would especially like to thank the IFA Advisory Board, जिन्होंने हमें अपना support देकर हमारा हौसला बढ़ाया है. I'd like to call on stage one of our esteemed guests. Please welcome Deputy Minister for Economic Development, Sri Lanka, Mr. Lakshman Yappa.
Hi everyone. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Sri Lanka is truly honored to be the host nation of this prestige event. A warm welcome to all of you from Sri Lanka. We believe that being able to host the International Indian Film Academy, or the IFA in Sri Lanka, is a strong symbol of friendship, solidarity and unity. Thank you, IFA, for believing in this resilient island nation. I wish you all the success in the future. Now, let's raise the curtains and let the stars shine. Sattame Jayato, Ayubowan. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. और अब इंडिया के दिल से इंडिया की बात कोलंबो तक पहुंचाने प्लीज वेलकम मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट मिस्टर शशि थरूर.
Ayubovan, Vanakkam, Namaskaram, good evening. Today we celebrate Indian cinema in Sri Lanka, a country just recovering from the ravages of civil war. The end of the conflict with the LTTE has presented Sri Lanka with an opportunity to heal the wounds created by decades of protracted conflict, to make a new beginning, and to build a better future for all of its people. India has never shirked from making known its legitimate concerns, and our engagement on this issue has been received in a very constructive spirit by the government of Sri Lanka. India has strongly supported the right of the government to act against terrorist forces. At the same time, India has emphasized the importance of focusing now on the issues of relief, rehabilitation, resettlement, and reconciliation. And the Indian people are proud that our government is working actively in assisting in these 4 R's in northern and eastern Sri Lanka. A 5th R, the redevelopment of the war-affected areas, is the next priority. I wish IFA and all of you a memorable evening. Jai Hind.
To give away the first set of technical awards at the Micromax IFA Awards, may I please call on stage Javed Jafri and Amna Sharif to present the IFA for Best Cinematography.
The Micromax IFA Award for Cinematography goes to C.K. Muralidharan for 3 Idiots. Micromax IFA Award for Special Effects goes to Charles Darby for Aladdin. IFA Award for Choreography goes to Bosco Caesar for Love Aajkal. The Micromax IFA Award for Action goes to Shyam Kaushal for Kamine. The Micromax IFA Award for Costume Designing goes to Anahita Shroff and Dolly Aluwalia Tiwar for Love Aajkal. Micromax IFA Award for Makeup goes to Christian Tinsley and Dominique Till for Bar.
The Micromax IFA Award goes for the Best Dialogue to Rajkumar Hirani and Abhijat Joshi for 3 Idiots.
The Micromax IFA Award for the Best Screenplay goes to Abhijat Joshi, Rajkumar Hirani, and Vidhu Vinod Chopla for 3 Idiots.
The Micromax IFA Award for Editing goes to
Rajkumar Hirani for 3 Idiots.
Micromax IFA Award for Sound Recording goes to
Vishwajit Chatterjee and Nihal Ranjan Samant for 3 Idiots.
Micromax IFA Award for Song Recording goes to
Vishwadeep Chatterjee and Sachin K. Sangvi again for 3 Idiots.
Micromax IFA Award for Sound Re-Recording goes to
Anup Dev for 3 Idiots.
Last but not the least, the Micromax IFA Award for Background Score goes to
Sanjay Wandrekar, Atul Raninga, and Shantanu Moitra for You Guessed Right, 3 Idiots.
पहले आर्टिस्ट फिल्म स्टार्स को पेंट करते थे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल MF हुसैन साहब ने हम आपके हैं कौन के बाद माधुरी दीक्षित की पेंटिंग बनाई।
फिर एक बार माधुरी का विवाह हो गया, विवाह देखकर MF हुसैन साहब ने अमृता राव की पेंटिंग बनाई।
थैंकफुली अमृता राव अब तक कुंवारी है, वरना पता नहीं अगला नंबर किस बेचारी का लगता।
लेकिन अब इंडस्ट्री में एक नया क्रेज आया है जहां स्टार्स खुद पेंटिंग करते हैं। सबसे पहले सलमान स्टार्टेड पेंटिंग।
In protest, MF Hussain stopped, and then Sridevi started painting.
MF Hussain is still protesting. इसलिए हमने सोचा कि अगर इंडस्ट्री के स्टार्स पेंटिंग बनाते तो क्या बनाते? Let's have a look. Let's start with maybe Abhishek Bachchan. What do you think Abhishek Bachchan would have painted?
अभिषेक बच्चन को मैं जानता हूँ और वो हमेशा मुझे लगता है कि वो उस चीज़ को पेंट करेंगे जो सबसे ज़्यादा चाहते हैं।
Something he loves.
Something he really cares about. Something he constantly thinks about.
Something he admires.
Absolutely.
Or someone he admires.
I don't know, but we have to see that.
Okay. So let's have a look. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for this?
Abhishek Bachchan's masterpiece. Let's have a look. Yes, that's right. It's Aishwarya Rai as Mona Lisa.
Fantastic. That's so sweet of Abhishek. Give Abhishek a big hand.
अभिषेक हमेशा इनके बारे में ही सोचते हैं 24/7.
सोचते ही रहते हैं.
सोचते ही रहते हैं.
That's very cute.
Absolutely.
Very cute.
Now let's have a look at what Aishwarya would paint.
What would Aishwarya paint?
I think she would paint something that she really admires, she really loves, and she constantly thinks about.
Right?
Yeah.
What do you think that would be?
Let's
have a look what Aishwarya Rai would have painted.
She would paint herself. So, I think हमें राय का पहाड़ नहीं बनाना चाहिए.
नहीं, राय का पहाड़.
Let's move on. Let's see the next painting.
I think let's have a look कि आमिर खान ने कौन सी पेंटिंग बनाई. Let's have a look.
Let's have a look at Amir Khan's painting. It's a blank canvas. क्योंकि आमिर की तरह उनकी पेंटिंग भी अवार्ड फंक्शंस अटेंड नहीं करती। ये पेंटिंग आपको सिर्फ नेशनल अवार्ड में दिखाई देगी क्योंकि वो नेशनल अवार्ड और ऑस्कर के लिए जाते हैं। Now, do you want to see what Ranbir Kapoor would paint?
Do we love Ranbir Kapoor?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's have a look at this masterpiece
by Ranbir Kapoor.
By Ranbir Kapoor.
Can we have a look, please? It's a cat.
Cat. आजकल के बच्चे abstract painting करते हैं, directly कुछ नहीं करते।
हाँ, मुझे पता नहीं कि रणबीर।
Why would Ranbir Kapoor paint a cat? No idea?
I have.
Anyway,
I have no idea.
Anyway, let's move on. Let's see the next painting by Deepika Padukone.
Yes. Oh. It's a badminton racket hitting a cat. मुझे पता नहीं कि दीपिका ऐसी पेंटिंग क्यों बनाएगी. Let's move on. Who are we to judge?
Now the next painting. The next painting is by John Abraham, and it's a self-portrait.
Let's have a look at John's self-portrait. Absolutely right.
But John has a great body himself. Why would he paint something like this?
मुझे लगता है कि ये जॉन हमेशा आर्नल्ड की तरह बनना चाहते थे.
आर्नल्ड कौन?
शिवाजी नगर. बहुत confusing है.
He's got this fascination for Arnold Schwarzenegger, is it?
I'm sure.
Now let's have a look कि बिपाशा बासु ने कौन सी पेंटिंग बनाई?
कि उनका सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेट क्या है? बिपाशा बासु भी आर्नल्ड की तरह बॉडी बनाना चाहती है.
And I think she will get there before John gets there. I'm sure.
क्योंकि उनके मैंने वीडियोस देखे योगा में छोटे कपड़े पहन के.
Very dedicated. Another dedicated. Okay.
You know, अगली पेंटिंग बनाने वाले हैं विवेक ओबरॉय.
A big hand for Vivek Oberoi. Come on.
Big hand.
Very artistic young man. Very artistic man. देखते हैं विवेक ओबरॉय ने कौन सी पेंटिंग बनाई. Oh, how beautiful that looks. How beautiful. I mean, look at it. It looks like a spiritual painting, a religious painting.
अरे हट, काय का religious painting है? हाथ जोड़कर अब तक प्रिंस के लिए माफी मांग रहा है. वैसे अमन मैंने तुम्हारी एक पेंटिंग बनाई है for you, especially from me.
You have done a painting for me?
Absolutely.
Oh, that's so sweet. Come on, give me. Oh, I love you. I love you, darling. I love you.
छोड़ना बहुत हो गया. Let's have a look at what I have painted for Baman. Yeah, Baman.
That's so sweet of you. That's so sweet of me with a six-pack.
Yeah.
And unbelievable. But that's not true, na?
Absolutely, that's not true, Baman. ऐसी बॉडी तभी बनेगी अगर मैं वो बॉडी तुम्हारे ऊपर पेंट करूंगा. पेट देखा है ना?
Very rude, Ritesh. I'm most upset with you. मैंने इतनी अच्छी painting बनाई थी तुम्हारे लिए, but I'm not going to show it.
Come on, sure.
Okay, ठीक है. I have made a masterpiece for my buddy over here.
Yeah, thank you.
Ritesh.
Yep.
Let's have a look at my painting in honor of Ritesh Deshmukh.
5 stars.
5 stars. Give him a big hand. 5-star actor, 5-star films. 5-star see?
लेकिन मेरी कौन सी फिल्म के लिए?
अरे हमारी पिछली 5 फिल्म कौन सी थी?
हाउसफुल, जाने कहाँ से आई है, रन, डू नॉट डिस्टर्ब और अलादीन।
सबको 1-1 स्टार मिली थी, कंबाइन 5 स्टार्स।
ओके, इसके आगे के बमन और पेंटिंग बनाए। लेट्स कॉल अपॉन द पर्सन जिसे ऑडियंस हमेशा 5 स्टार्स देती है।
Okay, let's do it. Shall we do it, ladies and gentlemen? This guy is a really committed guy, man.
क्योंकि एक बार जब वो कमिटमेंट देते हैं, उसके बाद वो खुद की भी नहीं सुनते। Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only Salman Khan.
Look at